Hi Cordia, 18 anseo, únar de little Siopa anseo in Galway. So sa bliain seo tá anam nua mar Siopa ach tá na smíte the same. So sustainability, rudí love déanta and a grá for Gaeilge. I've been working hard on my own targi, mar hampla fic na stucky seo, déanta in Ulin, Query Galway, from the Galway World Co-op and featuring eco-friendly leather tag and déanta immo pattern, so tá siad an gluche. I think that people who come to visit Galway, they think of the tríocht of the festivals, the vibes and the cahir, and also a spás for Gaeilge and tradition. For me féin, níl mé lífa, níl mé furfa le mo Gaeilge, but is bra la mé úsáid immo il Siopa, immo targi, just on my stationery, just wherever I can fit it in, and on my social media. The fact that we have our own teanga just should be celebrated and shared and enjoyed by people. So, Gurmí na máige.